So the 13 attributes of Hashem are perseverance, Hashem, Hashem. Consistency, Hashem doesn't change. Do you have the power of perseverance? Hashem, Hashem. Kale, leadership. Leadership with kindness. That's Kale, Aleph Lamed, Kale. Write down the list first, and then you can identify which ones apply to you. Rachum, compassion. Rachum, compassion. Is that your strongest midah and attribute? Chanun, chen. Chen is graciousness, warmth, sensitivity, gentleness, nurturing. Is that your best personality trait that Hashem gave you? Hashem is the source of chanun, chen, and some of us have chen within us, in our light, in our candle, within our soul, our neshama. Ner mitzvah v'torah or, in the light within you, is chen, your best attribute. Erech hapayim, patience, relaxed, cool, mellow, nothing bothers you. I met one person like that in my life. It was back in 1994. It was March, Tuesday, at 4 p.m. It was the only person I ever met who was calm, relaxed, chilled, and mellow. That's why I remember it was Tuesday, March 14th, 1994. Yeah, it was a momentous day for me. I met somebody calm and relaxed. Rav Chesed, giving. Always thinking about somebody else, always thinking about how to bake a cake for somebody who came home from hospital, or look after somebody, or visit somebody, or cheer them up. Rav Chesed. Emes, honesty, integrity, doing the right thing. Notzer Chesed, creativity, creative with art, with music, with ideas. Putting craisins in the salad is creative.
And good.
And good? Yum. What about tangerines next to the roast beef? Tangerine. No. It's creative. What does that say? Let me see.
Take me there now.
Take me there now.
Take me.
Where would you like to go? To the creative?
No, you were talking, like, you kept on saying that constantly, and I just wrote it to be funny.
Oh, very good. Excellent. Rav Chesed Emes, Notzer Chesed. Nosei avon vafesha v'chata'a is forgiving. Do you forgive people? Do you let things go? Do you let go of resentments and say, it's okay, I forgive you, move on? That's nosei avon. Hashem forgives us every single year, every single day. Slach lana v'nu ki chatanu. He forgives us every day. Can we forgive someone who makes a mistake and insults us or hurts our feelings or does something wrong? Can we forgive? And the last one is vinake, resilience. Resilience means bouncing back from a difficulty. Are you able to bounce back? Now, I want everybody to go through this list right now. I'll review them again right now. And I want you to write down the 2 or 3 of those midos which most relate to you. What are your best midos? Are you Hashem, Hashem? Are you consistent? Are you Kale, leadership? Are you Rachum, compassionate? The difference between Rachum and Chanun is Rachum means taking care of somebody's physical needs. Chanun is taking care of someone's emotional needs. Rachum v'Chanun. Erech hapayim, patience, laid back, relaxed. 1994, before you were born. Rav Chesed, giving. Emes, honesty, doing the right thing. No tzer chesed, creative. No se'avan v'pesha v'chata'ah, forgiving. And v'nakei, bouncing back. So I want you to write down in the section called personality, or midos, your best attributes. What are the 2 or 3 or even 4 of your best attributes? So that's your light. That's the light that Hashem breathed into you when He created you. That's your or. That's an expression of Hashem. Hashem is compared to electricity. You are compared to the air conditioner. The electricity comes from the power source into you. You are the air conditioner, and you give out the air. You cool off the room. It's not that Hashem is over there and you're over here, separate from Hashem. We're asking Hashem for things. And we have a laundry list and a grocery list. So please, Hashem, give me this, this, and this, this. Rather, Hashem is the electricity. We are the air conditioner. Hashem puts His energy through us, and He operates in the world through us. So when He is chesed and we act with chesed, He is operating His chesed through us. And when He is honest, emes, and we act with honesty, we are passing the electricity of emes, of honesty, through us. And we are resilient, we bounce back. Hashem puts His resilience, electricity in us, and we are able to bounce back. Therefore, we are expressing Hashem in the world. Hashem is the electricity, we are the air conditioner, and Hashem puts it through us, and we emanate, we bring out the honor of Hashem in the world. We're megalek vod shamayim. We reveal the electricity of Hashem in the world through our cooling power of the air conditioner. Hashem is the light, and we are the prism. And we give out different colors. Purple, red, orange, blue, green. He is the light, and we take and we reflect that light through us, and we give it out to the world. What is the prism that is you? You are chesed. You are kind. You are honest. You are leadership. But all that comes from Hashem. So Hashem gives us that electricity, and it goes through us. And when we recognize, when we have da'as, you recognize that Hashem has given those attributes to us. That's called relationship with Hashem. You want to get close to Hashem? Acknowledge and understand what kochos you have within you from Hashem. Contemplate them. Hisbonenus. Contemplate. Think about those mitos. Appreciate them. We say, atachone le'adam das. When you give us das, what is das? Awareness of our godliness. Awareness of our light. Awareness of our electricity. Awareness of the light that Hashem gave us, and goes through us. When it goes through us, that awareness, that consciousness is called dvekus. That consciousness of Hashem operating through us is called dvekus. The more we have das, the more we have knowledge, chokhmah, of awareness of God within our being, that's called a relationship with Hashem. That's called awareness, that's called closeness to Hashem. That's called dvekus with Hashem. And that is the key in this section called personality or midos. That the midos that are operating through you are Hashem operating through you. And when you choose to bring Hashem into the world, you're using your free will to bring Hashem into the world through your choice. That's the highest thing you can do. The greatest thing you can do. So, girls, when you help your mother prepare latkes, you are bringing chesed of Hashem into the world. So when you want to get the Shekhinah, the divine providence, in your house, help your mother make latkes, help her set the table for Shabbos, do chesed for your mother, even though you may not want to. And that, when you are aware of that, when you say, hey, I am helping my mother right now, I am using chesed right now, you are aware that Hashem is using His chesed through you, and you are choosing to bring it into the world. That's called being like Hashem. That's called the Shekhinah is Shruya. That's called that the Shekhinah comes into your home through your actions. That's what Shekhinah means. And you have the power, when you light the candles on Channukah, to bring that light, which means your light. What is your light? Each of us is different. Some of us have chesed, some of us has chen, some of us have perseverance, some of us have resilience. Each of you is unique. No two people are alike. which means each candle dances. It dances. It's an active, vibrant candle, a flame, which brings out the light of Hashem. And the word chashmonaim, the root word of chashmonaim is shemen. Chashmonaim, shemen. Bring out the oil. The oil brings out the strength of the wick and through the light, through the fire. The fire is you. You're the fire. You're the vibrant energy that is bringing light and vibrance to the world. The next category is spirituality, which is inspiration. What inspires you? What makes you say, wow? Is it singing Zmiros? Is it learning Torah? Is it studying? Is it doing chesed for your family? Is it sitting at the Shabbos table? Is it helping a friend? Is it visiting your grandmother? Is it singing Zmiros with your parents Friday night? What makes you say, wow? Is it watching the Yontif, the Channukah candles? Is it lighting Shabbos